Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This is part 2. You might have seen part 1 already, where I spent a really nice wild camp at Martham Broad. So the next day I moved on, headed towards Somerton. So the main mission is to get to Winterton Beach. So I'm heading on this route here and I'll show you the map in a moment before we carry on. Okay, so I walked along River Thurn here, right to the end of navigation, and I walked on this Staithe road. And on this horsey road, I was lucky to find a public footpath which cut through there, along this field. Now the thing about this road, it looks treacherous. There's not much room to walk, and obviously I could see vehicles travelling quite fast, so I didn't fancy this, and I wanted to get to this back road here where I could get to the Somerton church ruins. So luckily I found this little cut, and there's a little wooden sign almost hidden, and it says public footpath. So just cut through there, up onto this road here, Honeypot Lane, down to here, then you can cut straight onto this back road without going down this major road here, which looked quite busy and unsafe. So yeah, that just changed the walk completely to something quite pleasurable. So yeah, check that out. And if you just go down this back road, it does eventually lead to the beach there. And this is where I camped, I think, round about here. So yeah, all good. So now I've reached Winterton, I'm not going to do much at all. I'm going to really relax. Instead of walking and walking, I just need to sit and just take it all in. During this walk, I've been craving a cold can of Pepsi, so I bought one as I was going through the village. So I'm just enjoying that now. Just trying to find a spot to drop the tent. It's all like this, it's beautiful really. It's all nice and barren. And it's all like grasses, and because we've had some hot weather, all the grasses are like burnt and all this moss is dry. I'm having flashbacks from 30 years ago. I went to Kenya because obviously Kenya's so hot, it smells exactly like this place, so it's bringing back really weird little memory flashbacks, which is nice really. So yeah, I'm going to try and find a place to put the tent, and I'm just trying to find a perfect place because there's dog walkers, there's the paths all over the place, so randomly you're going to, obviously, people are going to see you, so I'm just trying to find the perfect spot. It's lots of like little craters, little dips, because wherever I drop my tent, I probably know there's going to be a better place to drop it, so and I might go a little bit further that way. I just need a rest and then I'll carry on. I think I found the place. I've got like a perfect ridge there to sit on. I mean, like a little bit of a crater and a dip. Got my own little sand dune there to lay on if the sun comes out, to catch some rays. So I've got the tent up and making myself comfortable. I'm gonna have a rest day today. I'm gonna do absolutely nothing. But look at weather, it's like getting really moody. But it's getting really, really warm. I've looked at weather charts and it's gonna get warmer and warmer. I'm gonna chill out now, I'm gonna have a coffee and have some food later and yeah, take it easy. Well, that's the end of another video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one where we'll probably be back on the boat a little bit. But if you could like the video, that'd be great, and if you could kindly subscribe, that'd be fantastic. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.